Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a zip file in Windows 11. So select your files, then right click. If you want to create a zip file for this three file or three videos, so right click on it. Firstly select and right click. Now hover cursor to WinRAR, then click on add to archive. Now here is the option archive format RAR, RAR4 or zip. So select as your need. There are more options like update mode, comparison method. You can select as you need, like normal, fast, good, and also you can change dictionary size. So after all settings, just click on OK. That's it. So like this guys, you can create a zip file in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.